Smart health meets everyday life. Have you been eating healthy and exercising, yet your belly fat won't reduce? Many people blame calories or metabolism, but there may be another factor involved: chronic stress. Today, we are going to explore the concept of cortisol belly and examine whether stress hormones can actually influence abdominal fat gain, based on recent scientific evidence. Cortisol is a hormone released by the adrenal glands as part of the body's stress response system, known as the hypothalamic-pituitary-adrenal axis. In short-term situations, cortisol is beneficial. It helps regulate blood sugar, blood pressure, and inflammation. However, when stress becomes chronic, due to work pressure, sleep deprivation, emotional strain, or lifestyle imbalance, cortisol levels can remain elevated for prolonged periods. Persistent elevation of cortisol may influence metabolism and fat distribution. Recent research strongly supports the link between stress and abdominal fat. A 2022 study by van der Valk et al., published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, measured long-term cortisol levels using hair samples. They found that people with higher chronic cortisol had significantly more visceral, or deep abdominal fat. Stress doesn't just affect hormones, it also changes appetite and food choices. Further research by Adam and Eppel in psychoneuroendocrinology showed that stress-related cortisol spikes raise insulin levels. Higher insulin promotes fat storage, especially around the abdomen. Visceral fat cells, especially around the abdomen, contain a higher concentration of cortisol receptors. When cortisol remains elevated, it promotes glucose release into the bloodstream, leading to higher insulin secretion. Over time, this hormonal pattern encourages fat storage centrally. Scientific evidence suggests that lifestyle interventions can help regulate cortisol levels. Adequate sleep of 7 to 8 hours per night, regular moderate physical activity, mindfulness practices such as meditation, and balanced meals rich in protein and fiber have been shown to support healthy stress hormone regulation. A 2022 review in Nutrients found that managing stress along with healthy lifestyle changes improved metabolic health and lowered cortisol levels. The concept of cortisol belly is not just a social media trend. Stress is only one factor among many, including diet, genetics, physical activity, and sleep. Managing stress is not just about mental health, it is also about metabolic health. Like, share, and subscribe to Health IQ Plus to spread awareness and encourage healthier living. Empowering healthier lives through smarter choices. Your health and well-being are our top priority.